Today I am going to share how to do Korean glass skin facial at home. Glass skin facial is for those who want their skin to look its best from skin deep even without makeup. It is a non-invasive and deeply penetrating skincare therapy system that results in a healthy, more hydrated and rejuvenated skin. Step 1. Cleanser. Ingredients needed: aloe vera gel, milk, mix 2 tablespoons of milk with half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Apply all over the face. Wash it after 2 minutes. Step 2. Face pack. Ingredients needed: multani mitti, yogurt. Mix 1 tablespoon of multani mitti with 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Apply all over the face. Wash it after 10 minutes. Step 3. Toner. Ingredients needed: aloe vera gel, cucumber, cut and grind cucumber slices, mix grinded cucumber juice and aloe vera gel. Transfer it to a spray bottle. Spray it on the face. Step 4. Cream. Ingredients needed: turmeric, aloe vera gel, mix aloe vera gel and turmeric. Apply it at night.